This is a 1976 Dodge Warlock, and it's very unusual. They made a few evidently in 1976, but real production ramped up for the 1977 model year. And this advertisement gives some interesting details. Of course, it had its own trim and wood trimming, the whole deal. I mean, it's an amazing truck. But they also made it in red, green, sunfire, and of course the black. I've never seen a Warlock in any color other than black. I've seen a couple of them before. This has a 400 cubic inch engine and air conditioning. And of course that striping and the decals, it's just amazing. It's a beautiful truck. Here gives some more information. It happens to be for sale. You can see for $29,500 or best offer. If you really wanted a different truck, this would be, I think this might be the one to get. Interesting. We have skeleton in the driver's seat. It sets the tone for the truck. Great instrument cluster there. And you can see the vents for the air conditioning. We have an armrest type arrangement there for space between the two bucket seats. It has automatic transmission. And I like those gold wheels too. They add to it. So you've got a black and gold combination here. And those are the wooden stakes there. I'd love to see one of the other colors that was offered. As I said, I've never seen anything other than black. And of course this was kind of a companion to the little red pickup truck that Dodge also offered. It was a great idea to offer something like this. Spruce up a regular pickup. And they also made them in four-wheel drive. I didn't realize they did that. Now this car is still, truck rather, still has two-wheel drive. Very exceptional. And this is at the Daytona Speedway.